Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for mastering the world of social media. Today, we're going to reveal the secrets behind going viral and skyrocketing your online presence. So, if you're ready to take your social media game to the next level, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. In this video, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide on how to go viral on social media. Whether you're an aspiring content creator, a small business owner, or simply someone who wants to gain more exposure, these strategies will help you achieve your goals. Segment 1. Understanding virality. Before we jump into the strategies, it's important to understand what makes content go viral. Virality is all about creating content that resonates with a large audience and compels them to share it with others. The key is to evoke emotions, whether it's laughter, inspiration, surprise, or even shock. Remember, the more relatable and shareable your content is, the higher the chances of it going viral. Segment 2. Crafting engaging content. Now that we know the foundation of virality, let's talk about how to craft engaging content that captures the attention of your audience. First and foremost, know your target audience inside out. Understand their interests, preferences, and pain points. This will help you create content that resonates with them on a deeper level. Secondly, focus on storytelling. Humans love stories, and incorporating storytelling elements into your content will make it more compelling and shareable. Whether it's through a captivating narrative, personal anecdotes, or relatable experiences, stories have the power to connect with people on an emotional level and increase the chances of your content going viral. Segment 3. Leveraging trends and challenges. One surefire way to go viral is by tapping into the latest trends and challenges. Keep a close eye on what's buzzing in the social media world and find creative ways to incorporate those trends into your content. Whether it's a viral dance challenge, a popular meme, or a trending hashtag, participating in these trends can significantly boost your chances of reaching a larger audience. Remember, it's not just about following the trends, it's about adding your unique twist to them. Find ways to stand out from the crowd and put your own creative spin on the current viral sensations. Segment 4. Engaging with your audience. Going viral is not just about creating great content, it's also about building a strong connection with your audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to their comments, asking for their opinions, and encouraging them to share your content. This two-way interaction will not only make your audience feel valued but also increase the chances of them spreading your content further. Segment 5. Optimizing for sharing. Last but not least, optimize your content for sharing. Make it easy for your viewers to share your videos across various social media platforms. Include social sharing buttons, add captions and subtitles for accessibility, and create visually appealing thumbnails that grab attention. The more shareable your content is, the more it will spread like wildfire across the internet. And there you have it. Our comprehensive guide on how to go viral on social media. Remember, virality is not guaranteed, but by implementing these strategies, you'll significantly increase your chances of getting your content noticed by millions. Segment 6. Analyzing and iterating. In this final segment, we'll discuss the importance of analyzing your content's performance and iterating based on the data you gather. Analyzing your metrics is crucial to understand what works and what doesn't when it comes to going viral. Start by monitoring your video's views, likes, comments, and shares. Look for patterns and trends in the data. Which types of content perform better? Is there a specific format or topic that resonates more with your audience? Use this information to fine-tune your content strategy moving forward. Additionally, pay attention to the feedback you receive from your viewers. Take note of their suggestions, ideas, and criticisms. This feedback can provide valuable insights into how you can improve your content and make it even more shareable. Remember, the digital landscape is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Stay updated with the latest social media trends, algorithm changes, and user preferences. Adapt and iterate your content accordingly to stay ahead of the curve. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, going viral is a journey, and with the right strategies, dedication, and a bit of luck, you can make your mark in the digital world. Host, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep chasing those viral